What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you about the limits for free plan in Brevo. So let's dive right into the video. I have attached the link to the Brevo dashboard in the link in the description. Make sure you guys check it out. So once you click on that link, then you have to sign in with your official account, that you'll be redirected over here. So one thing I want to make sure and want to be clear that the Brevo does not charge you for the contacts that you have. It doesn't charge you on the contact list, but it does charge you upon the email volume that you send. So it gives you 300 email for the free plan. For example, I have a free plan and it gives me 300 out of 300 emails per day without spending a single penny. So this is something that I get without any cost being spent. But on the Brevo, there are some limitations. I cannot send more than 300 emails without paying for the subscription. And if I want to create any sort of landing pages, I cannot do that unless until I upgrade my plan. So at least I have to get started with the standard plan that is for $18 per month, and then I'll get a volume of 5,000 emails per month. Otherwise, I won't be able to use any sort of AI features, any sort of A/B testing and all that features with the basic plan. Here are the key features that comes under the free plan. So I get email and SMS campaign at only 300 a day, but for the starter plan, it goes up to 100K. I get only single user. I only get 2000 contact limits, and I don't get the full Aura AI features. I don't get sub account management, available sales package, nothing with those things. I don't get A/B testing. I don't get to remove Brevo branding from the email campaigns. I cannot get AI send time or optimization, content feed, email frequency management, reusable content selection, click heat maps, the geography and device reports, and the dedicated IP. So these are all the stuffs that I do not get with the free plan. And so in order to have these, you have to upgrade your plan to the starter, standard, professional, or enterprise level. That's pretty much it. Take care. Bye bye.